say hey to Lexus.
I want to get off, bro. I want to get off. 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 I want to get off.
What? Shut up.
Bro, I want to get off, bro.
Don't touch me.
I want to get off.
I ain't even scared.
Ashley.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my fucking god.
Wait. Just tell me where you finna go first.
Like you gonna tell us for real.
He is, bro.
No the fuck you not. Oh my god, you finna go. Just go already. Fuck.
You gotta tighten your seatbelt.
Huh?
Who, him?
Who?
That's way too loose, man. You can slip out. You gotta tighten it. Pull on it.
Bro, you would've. Oh my god.
No, pull it from the bottom.
Bro,
It's like a car seatbelt. Like you just pull it, it'll
This?
wait, is my too loose?
Actually, both of them. Hey, I got both seatbelts completely loose.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck.
Mama.